All right, so this is Mrs. Snook, and here is how you can enter information into a box in WebAssign. So I'm looking at number 9 on homework 1.1, and it says find an equation of the line that passes through the given point and has the indicated slope m. M is undefined, so I know I'm going to do an x equals 4, so I click in the box. These little tools open up, but I'm not going to use them. I'm just going to press X, and I'm going to say equals, and then I'm going to say 4. And then just for grins and giggles, I'll go ahead and graph that line. Click twice on the line tools so that it's highlighted in blue. And 1 point is 10, -4. So I'm going to go put a point there. And then I'm just going to go straight up because my slope is undefined, put a second point, and boom. There is my answer for that question. Hope this helps.